Good morning, student. In the last class, we have started 3.7 exercise in the third chapter, and first and second question we have completed. Today we will continue that exercise. Okay. What is the given in the third question? The length, breadth, and height of a room is 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter, and 450 centimeter. What they are asking? Find the longest tape which can measure all the three dimensions. One longest tape length is what? You have to, using that one, you have to measure all these three measurements. So longest means what? HCF you have to find. That word longest coming in your problem means HCF you have to find. So find the HCF of 825, 675 and 450. Then HCF we have to find. HCF means separately we have to find each measurement. So 825, start with 5, factorize it by 5 prime factorization 165 times. Then 5 once again 33 times. Then 3 11 times. Then 11 1 time. Second number 675. Once again start with 5 135 times. Then another time 5 27 times. Then 3 9 times. Then 3 3 times. Then 3 1 time. Then last number 450, 2 you start with that one because 2 0 is ending, so 225 times 2, so 5 once again 45 times, then 5 9 times, then 3 3 times, then 3 1 time. So we have factorized this one. Then the HCF of 825, 675 and 450 is what? 825 5 into 5 into 3 into 11, and 675 is 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. 450, 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 1. Then what is the highest common factor? All the three measurements 5, 5, 5, 1, 5. Then second 5, 5, 5, second 5. Then 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3. So HCF of the given numbers measurement is 5 into 5 into 3, that is 75 centimeter. So what is our need? The longest tape that can measure all the three dimension is 75 centimeter tape. That is your answer. Okay. This is your third question. Fourth question. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which can exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So smallest 3-digit number. Immediately you find the LCM of the given numbers. So LCM I am finding 6, 8, 12. 2 I am starting. 3 times, 4 times, 6 times. Once again 2, 3 as it is. 4 can divide by 2, 2. And 6 can divide by 3. Then 3 table 1, 2, 1. Then 2 table 1, 1, 1. So what is the factor of LCM of 6, 8 and 12? 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 2. So your answer is 24. 24 we are getting LCM, but we need a 3-digit smallest number. So 24 is not a 3-digit number. So how to find it? We know 3-digit smaller number is, what is smallest number is 100. And if 100 should be divisible by 6, 8 and 12. If that should be divided means 6, 8, 12 ka LCM also should divide this 100. Let us try. So divide 100 upon 24. So is it exactly dividing? See here, it is not dividing. You are getting reminder every time and decimal point is there. So it is not dividing. So try for the find the first smallest 3-digit number. So you go for the next number. If it is 24, 4 point something is there, round up to 5. Decimal number you convert into 5. The remainder round up to 5. The next number which is greater number. So 4.66. Then the next greater number is 5 whole number. Multiply 24 into 5. You are getting 120. So when you are dividing 100, which is the smallest number, 3-digit number, by 24, it is not exactly dividing. Then you are getting decimal. So go for the next multiplication number. 4.166 is there. Go for the higher number 5. Then multiply with 24, 120. So that is therefore the smallest number divisible by 6, 8, 12 is 3-digit number is 120. 120 is the smallest 3-digit number, as well as it is the first number which can divide by 6, 8 and 12. All the three number. That is your fourth question. Fifth question you see. Determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So here also start. Greatest number they are asking. First to find the LCM. So I am finding the 8, 10, 12 LCM. What I am getting here LCM of 8, 10, 12 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 into 3, because I am prime factorizing I am doing. So I am getting 120 is the 3-digit number, LCM of the given number. But they are asking 3-digit number, greatest number they are asking. In the last problem they are asking smaller number. Here they are asking greatest 3-digit number. So the greatest 3-digit number in your number system, what is that? 999. So once again, divide 99 by 120. How many times it can divide? Only 80 times. You will get remainder. Then what you have to do to get the 3-digit, greatest 3-digit number which is divisible by 8, 10 and 12. What you have to do, the greatest number, you know, 999 minus the remainder in the division what you are getting. From the division what you are getting. So 999 minus 39. What you are getting here? 960. So 960 can divide by 8. 960 can divide by 10. 960 can divide by 12. That is your answer. Okay. That is your fifth question ka answer. Sixth question. The traffic signal light at 3 different roads changes after 48 seconds, 72 seconds, 108 seconds. If they change at 7 a.m., that means first at 7 a.m. they are changing means, then at what time they will change simultaneously again? That is your question. So least common multiple you have to find among these 3 numbers. So we have to find the LCM of the given number 48, 72, 108. Then find the LCM here. So LCM I am finding here 48, 72, 108. 2 can divide all the numbers. So 24 times, 36 times, 54 times. Then once again these 3 number can divide by 2. 12 times, 18 times, 27 times. Then here also 12 and 8 can divide. So 2 times I am doing. 6 times, 9 times, 27 times. All the 3 number can divide by 3. So 2 times, 3 times and 9 times. Once again 3 can divide 3 and 9. So 2 will remain as it is. 1 times 3 and 3 times 9. So we are getting the factor of 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2 and 3. So I am multiplying here. I am grouping 2 together. So I am getting 16 and 3 together 27. Both I am multiplying. So 432 seconds I am getting. What they are asking, after how many, at what time it will change. We have found after 432 seconds it will change. But what is the time? Our question is, what is the time? What will be the time they are asking? For this one, what you have to do? Convert this 432 seconds into minute. So I am converting here. What you have to do for converting minute? 432 seconds. If we divide by 60 means it will be converted into minute. So I am dividing. That means what? 60. I am dividing 432. 7 times you are getting remainder. That means what? Quotient is minute. Remainder is a second. So you will be getting 7 minute 12 second. When you are dividing 432 converting into minute, 7 minute 12 second. So we are converted into minutes and second. Now you see at what time it will change next they are asking. At what time? First it is changed at 7 a.m. it is changed. Now they change simultaneously again. At what time now? After 7 minutes 12 seconds. That means 7 a.m. plus 7 minutes plus 12 seconds. That means what in writing in digit form? 7 hours, 07 minutes and 12 seconds. That is your answer. 7, 07, 12 seconds. That is your answer. At 7 o'clock, 7 a.m., 7 minutes and 12 seconds it will be changing next in the traffic signal. Okay. Seventh question. 3 tankers contain 403 liter, 434 liter and 465 liter of diesel. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel in the 3 containers exact number of time. What is the meaning? In 3 tankers, so much liter of diesels are there. You have to find one container which is having a capacity that should measure all these 3 tanker liters which are given equally. It should measure, okay, without any reminder. That is your question. So what is that given in the problem? Maximum. That means HCF you have to find. So find the HCF of 403, 434 and 465 separately by prime factorization method. I am finding it. This is odd number, so I am directly standing with 13 and 31 is odd number, so 1 time. Here 2 time it will go, then second 7 time it will divide, then 31 time, 1 time only. Then 5 it will be start 93, then 3 31, 31 and 1 will be the factor. Now for 403 what is the factor? 13 and 31. 434 2 7 31. 465 5 3 31. So among these what is common? 31, 31, 31 factor is coming in all the three numbers. So therefore the maximum measuring container having a capacity of 31 liters. If you use 31 liters of a container, it can measure 403, it can measure equally without any remainder 434, and it can measure 465 liters of diesel without any remainder equally. Okay, that is the answer. So 31 liters of capacity of container should be needed for measuring all these three diesel quantities. Okay, thank you. Then eighth question, what they are asking in the eighth, will find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leaves a remainder of 5 in each case. That means one number is there, you have to divide that number by 6, 15 or 18. When you are divide by 6, you have to get 5 as remainder. When you are dividing 15 by 15, you will get 5 as a remainder. When you are dividing by 18, you should get 5 as a remainder. That is the question. So what is that number we have to find? So immediately you start doing the least they are asking. So LCM you find for 6, 15 and 18. So 2 times 3, 15 will be remain, and 18 9 times. Then 3 can divide all the number. 3 1 time, 15 5 times, 9 3 times. So what is the factor? 2, 3, 1, 5, 3. So I am multiplying it, I am getting 90. You see, 90 exactly can divide by 6. 90 can divide by 15 also. 90 can be divided by 18 also exactly. But we need, when you are dividing this number, you should get 5 as a remainder. So what is that number? You see 6, 15, 18 exactly divides 19. But in each case, remainder should be a 5. So what you have to do? The required number, how to find it? LCM you have found, no? What is the number you have found? LCM 90. Add the remainder with the LCM. So add 5 with the LCM. So that means 90 plus of 5 will be equal to 95. So our required number is 95. Now you check it up. When you divide 95 by 6, you will get 5 remainder. When you divide 95 by 15, you will get 5 remainder. When you divide 95 by 18, you will get 5 remainder. So which is the number, least number, which is when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leaves a remainder of 5 is 95 is that number. Okay. The ninth question. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. What is smallest 4-digit number? We know smallest 4-digit number is what? 1000. So that should be divided by 18, 24.